Hi guys, in this one we are going to be showing you how to create the best reels in Canva, how to find the content fast, easy. So first of all, since it's a reel, we just want to go to create a design and we will just start typing reel, R-E-E-L, okay? Instagram reel. Now remember, I prefer you to either have a brand kit on your hard drive or in Google Drive or uploaded through your uploads in Canva so you have all your logos, all your profile pictures, everything you may need. Okay. All your cutouts. And once again, if you can't get good cutouts through Canva, you can go ahead and either use an app on your phone or use remove.bg. You can upload the photo and re-download it and upload it to Canva. So now with that being said, we are going to do, let's see, we want to get finding time, contracting, kitchen remodels. So first things first, there's different templates. We could go up to design. Okay. There's all sorts of just stuff out here and you can type that, but better off to go to elements, and under elements, we can type kitchen remodel. Okay. So we're just type in kitchen remodel and see what we find because we want to create a remodel. And now when we go to elements here, we're going to see the suggestions. We're going to see the graphics, photos, videos. You're going to see the shapes, even the audio, the frames, charts, whatever they have, right? And then other suggestions, kitchen background, kitchen tools, kitchen counter, kitchen utensils. So here's our graphics. Here's our video. But since these are just the assets, that's what we should be searching for the assets, we should have a template. Okay. So that is, while that is the best way to search, we should still do kitchen remodel and see some suggestions here. I'm already liking this one right in the beginning. I think with just like a simple color change to match your logo, we're going to go ahead and select this. Now you can also see other variations as well, but we want a quick, so now we got our template. So now we go back to elements, we are kitchen remodel, or we can search that. So here, if you wanted to use a video, you could insert and upload your own quick video. But let's just see what we have under see all for videos. Now remember on this one, we got the movement coming in. It looks like from left to right. Yeah. Okay. It's actually panning left, so it's going this way. So we can use really anything for this. We want something that looks more like a kitchen remodel or some work that's going on in a kitchen. But you can just use your best judgment for what your goal is. Remember to add your call to action in your content. This guy's working on, okay, I like that. We're going to go ahead and insert that. So we selected it and now we're going to drop it over here. And we're going to hit play to make sure that we have everything coming in correctly. Okay. Now, okay, we have that. And we want to add company logo. So we're going to delete that. We're going to delete that. All this. Right? And we could select the layer and just hit trash can. Now we go back to our uploads here. In our uploads, we might have to scroll a little bit. But here we go. And now we can resize it. Okay. Your dream, our time. And I just want to change this to match the color palette. So we are going to select this layer. And now it's saying photo colors is being suggested right here. We're going to hit this nice blue. Okay. Blue is really good. And we're going to make this text a little bit smaller, redefining This one will be for kitchens, redefining your kitchen. Okay. And I don't like this right here. I just want to keep it redefining your kitchen. Now, if you want a different font, you can like just select a different font, or you can left click, hold, and highlight all, or you can hit Control A on your keyboard. And for that, you come over here, select your font that is closer to your font. However, you can also upload your font and install it on your computer, or upload it here. Either way, it looks like we are going to get a sans serif font. That's a font without hooks or edges. And the font looks a little tighter, so we'll just make this smaller. And if we want the way that the layout is, Control A on your keyboard, and you can hit alignment here, and this will align it to how you see fit. We're just going to go center alignment, as I feel that's nice. Redefining your kitchen. Okay, great. Hit play. This is how it will roll. And then don't forget to add your call to action. So this might be give us a call today, add your phone number, or whatnot. Also, if you wanted a different background, we could do a few things. However, I do like that. That is very nice. We don't need to get rid of that. But if you're going to get a different background, you could go to Elements, and then you could type kitchen background, and just play around with the words and see what they have, and then come up here and click Photos. Okay, this is going to give you all, if you look at all, graphics, videos, audio, and then see all for photos. That's what we're looking for. We could try a blurred shot because it is a background, and it is a darker shot, so maybe this would work better. This would even work better. Let's try this right here, and this can go. And if it's not going to auto populate and just like stick in there, what you can do is you can size it to what you need, right? And that will cover it. Oh, Control Z to undo. And what you can do is you can select the layer and now hit that button and go layer and hit send backward or send to back. Send to back will bring it all the way back. However, for this, we would have to change our text color, Control A, and then text color is right here. And that white should do it. Redefining your kitchen. Okay. And we still want this. We could put it over the video. We could make it smaller. But yes. All right. Now, if you didn't want this, you could hit Control Z to backstep, 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 or hit this back here. This will bring you the same result. This will be removing this completely. Now, I like this because it focuses on, your space. And then now if you just wanted audio, maybe we would go energetic. However, most of the time, I don't add the audio until I upload the reel itself. When I upload the reel, then I select my audio there. If you're uploading to a business page, you have more limited versus a personal page. Keep that in mind. Now, energetic, and we want to click audio. And here's all the examples. I like this because it's like kind of like old school. And then all we're going to do is drop music right here and make sure it stretches over the timeline. Okay. And let's see. Okay. And now we're going to make sure it covers the timeline. And if we wanted to move it further, that's all we do right there. Now we can hit play. Okay, that's pretty dramatic. That's fun. That'll work for now. However, if you wanted to export this without audio, you could select it, hit delete, and export it. Then you want to download it. That's your last option here. Download. Don't forget your call to actions, and I'm just making this one without it. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit download. But actually for this one, I am going to remove this audio because then we can decide later if what we want is to be adding the real audio per platform. Keep that in mind. So that is how you make really good reels, and the editing is very much similar to that of post creation. You just start with a reel and then start with your template, which would be your design right here. And then after you figured out, you know, what design layout you want, or if it's like call to action, for example, if you type in call to action, right? If it's a testimonial, you could type in testimonial or review. And these are really good ways to have client testimonials and reviews really fast. So once again, that's everything you need to know for Reels.